A crucial stage in the building process is a soil analysis in Dadri, Noida. It entails investigating and evaluating the characteristics, behavior, and composition of the soil in a specific location. An assessment of the soil's appropriateness for construction is the goal, as is the identification of any potential problems or difficulties that may need to be overcome. Due to the variety of the soil in the area, soil study is particularly important in Dadri, Noida. The region is renowned for its diverse soil types, which range from sandy soils to clayey soils. The design and construction process can be greatly impacted by the unique collection of traits and properties that each type of soil possesses. A detailed site assessment is the first stage in soil inquiry. To do this, soil samples must be taken throughout the site at various points. The physical and mechanical qualities of these samples are then determined by laboratory analysis. The outcomes of these tests aid engineers and designers in understanding the soil's capacity for supporting loads, settling characteristics, and reaction to different construction operations. Following the completion of the soil research, engineers can go forward with the design phase. To do this, a structural plan must be developed that takes into account the unique characteristics of the soil in Dadri, Noida. The structure's ability to properly support the loads placed on it and to endure any potential settlement or other soil-related difficulties must be guaranteed by the design. SCON design, also known as structural concrete design, is essential to the entire construction process. It entails establishing the size, necessary levels of reinforcement, and other requirements for a structure's concrete components safely and successfully with the least amount of risks by completing a thorough soil research and incorporating its findings into SCON design. Soil investigation in Dadri, Noida is an essential step in the construction process. It involves the study and analysis of the composition, properties, and behavior of the soil in a particular area. The purpose of soil investigation is to determine the suitability of the soil for construction purposes and to identify any potential issues or challenges that may need to be addressed. In Dadri, Noida, soil investigation is particularly crucial due to the diverse nature of the soil in the region. The area is known for its varying soil types, ranging from clayey soils to sandy soils. Each type of soil has its own set of characteristics and properties, which can significantly impact the design and construction process. The first step in soil investigation is to conduct a thorough site survey. This involves collecting soil samples from different locations within the site. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. The results of these tests help engineers and designers understand the soil's load-bearing capacity